Hi, everyone. Welcome to Preschool Planet. Today, I'm going to teach you how to ask simple questions in English. What are WH questions? WH questions are questions that start with words like who, what, where, when, why, how. Who? Asking about people. Who is your teacher? Who called you last night? What? Asking about something. What is your favorite color? What are you doing? Where? Asking about a place. Where do you live? Where did you buy that book? When? Asking about time. When is your birthday? When will the movie start? Why? Asking about a reason. Why are you laughing? Why did you leave early? How? Asking about manner or method. How do you make this dish? How can I fix this problem? Which? Choosing options. Which book do you prefer? Which dress should I wear? Whose? Asking about ownership. Whose jacket is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whom? Asking about the object of a verb. Whom did you see at the party? Whom should I contact for information? How much? Asking about quantity, uncountable. How much sugar do you need? How much time do we have? How many? Asking about quantity, countable. How many apples are there? How many students attended the class? How long? Asking about duration. How long is the movie? How long have you been working here? How far? Asking about distance. How far is the nearest gas station? How far is your home from school? How often? Asking about frequency. How often do you exercise? How often do you visit your grandparents? How old? Asking about age. How old is your brother? How old is this building? What time? Asking about a specific time. What time does the train leave? What time is the meeting?